If we are to make Europe work, we must show it has a very clear future role, including internationally. The EU could be a real force for peace if we address all the threats that face people. An effective security policy has to be integrated with policies on poverty, the environment, energy, trade, food and water resources, and so on. We must refocus on building peace, and what better way to do that than to enhance not the military but civilian work, a civilian peace corps to diffuse tension, foster understanding and prevent conflict, working with the United Nations. Now is the time to invest not in arms but in people, especially young people, to create jobs, to recover and rebuild, and enable all the peoples, all the nations of Europe, like Wales, Flanders, Scotland and the Basque Country, to play their full part in doing that. Thank you.